Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot CRM for pipeline productivity step by step clearly. To begin registering with HubSpot CRM, navigate to the HubSpot website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started Free button and click on it. You will be directed to a sign-up form requesting your email address. Enter a valid email address that you want to associate with your HubSpot account. After inputting your email, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from HubSpot. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected to a new page to set up your HubSpot account. Fill in the required fields, such as your first name, last name, and company name. Next, create a strong password for your account, ensuring it meets security requirements. Once you've completed the form, click on the Next button. HubSpot will ask you a few questions about your business and your role. Answer these questions to help personalize your experience within HubSpot. After completing the questions, click Next to proceed to the dashboard. Now that you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu. Locate the Sales tab, which will give you access to pipeline features. Next, click on Pipelines under the Sales menu to start setting up your pipeline. If this is your first time, HubSpot may offer a default pipeline setup. Feel free to edit this pipeline or create a new one by clicking Create Pipeline. Follow the prompts to name your pipeline and define the stages you need. Once set up, start adding deals to your pipeline to track your sales process. To add a deal, click on the Add Deal button within the pipeline view. Fill in the necessary details for the deal, such as the deal name, amount, and associated contacts. Finally, save the deal to see it appear in your newly created pipeline. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with HubSpot CRM and set up your pipeline for productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.